So my name is Paul, and this is going to be a double bike check. Alright, I have a DK Cleveland, and I'll start from the front and go back. I have Odyssey bar ends, Vans Colt grips, DK bars, 8.5, rise, 28 width, DK stem, painted it gold. I'm going to paint it some other color, getting sick of it. Got a integrated headset, stock DK forks, duo stunner tire, and a star circle rim. And my seat is a DK pivotal seat. My post is an animal post, pivotal gold. My pedals are Fit PC pedals in DK red. My crank is a DK, can't remember the name of it, but it's a DK crank. I have a DK sprocket, a Z-Tech chain in pink, a Shadow Conspiracy peg in yellow, and my back rim is a Alex rim, 19 driver and 25 tooth sprocket. My back tire is a, I don't know what kind of back tire it is, but it's back tire. Yeah, I got some stickers, and that's my bike check. I'm going to move on to the next person. Sit down.
Oh, here's my bike. It's all DK. I like to keep it like that. My stem is DK. My handlebars are DK. My grips, and I just got those. And got DK brakes. Work really well. Got neon blue rims, DK. 9-tooth driver. And my sprocket is 25 tooth black crank arms. Got my DK bicycles, plastic, very good. This side over here, I have DK pegs, one on each side, and one on each side, and one on this side. And then, yeah, my bike's all black. I got a DK stamp right here. I got a Haro seat. I'm not sure. No, it's not a pivotal. And yeah, my bike check. Oh wait. And I also got a gold Z-Tech chain, like my friend over there. And yeah, it's my bike. Got some.
Subscribe.